It's Saturday the 4th of June 2022. I'm Dan from themeparknut.com and this is Theme Park News. In a minute, let's get cracking. And the timer starts now. Princess and the Frog voice actress Anika Noni Rose may have leaked the opening time frame for the retheming of Splash Mountain. She said on a US talk show this week that it will be, quote, out in 2024. Fantasmic and World of Color have returned to Disneyland Resort this week. Universal Studios Hollywood has narrowed down the opening date for its Super Nintendo World, stating that it's going to be open early in 2023. SeaWorld Orlando has given us a hype video for their 7th coaster, which is currently under construction. It's not named yet, but appears to have a surf theme. Disneyland Resort has stopped selling their remaining types of their Magic Keys, the replacement for their annual passes this week. The Mattel Adventure Park under construction in Arizona has announced more of its attractions. They're going to include a Barbie flying theater as well as a laser tag game inside Castle Grayskull from He-Man and the Masters of the Universe. That is it for this week's Theme Park News. In a minute, we'll be back next week with more Theme Park News, so tune in for that. In the meantime, check us out on Twitter at ThemeParkNut, on Instagram, ThemeParkNut, Insta, on TikTok at ThemeParkNut, and our blog is themeparknut.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, cheers.